What's up, everyone? It's Shanice, aka Atrana Irie, and I'm back with another video. It is Monday, August 29th. My lease is supposed to end September 1st, but I'm working the rest of the week. So I am here at my apartment building to get the last of my stuff, turn in my keys, well, check the mailbox, turn in my keys, and say goodbye to Buckhead. So yeah, since I'm leaving, now I can show you guys my apartment. So I'm going to give you a little tour of the apartment, of the building, of the rooftop and everything. And yeah, I'll see you while I'm moving my stuff. So as y'all already know, I've been living in my house for 2 weeks now. This is my third week. So now I finally have some time to come here. This is the garage. What's cool about our garage is we have mirrors and cameras all through it. So you'll always know that someone's watching in case something happens to your car. My boyfriend's car actually got hit in here. It's crazy. But they saw it on the cameras. So they saw who did it, and he had proof when he had to bring it to the police. But yes, here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Target cart because it'll make life so much easier. In this building, you need a key fob to get everywhere. This is the hallway. So we do have a trash room on the second floor, and the recycling is on the first. This is what the trash room looks like. Sometimes it gets really messy. People act like they don't see this and they just leave their trash here. These are other problems. All right, so we're inside the door. We have 3 light switches. One is for this light, the other is for the pendant lights, and the other one's for the spotlights. This is the kitchen. My mom and cousin came to help me clean, so they put all of my stuff right here. That's cute. Remember me. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. It's so cute, right? Just, yep. We have all these. Yeah, so it's nice. And this is the microwave. Yep. Fun story. When I first moved in, my original microwave didn't work for 2 months. And my ex had an extra microwave, so he let me use that. Here's the dishwasher. Another fun story. One time I was loading the dishwasher and this whole thing popped off and the dishwasher fell out. Fun stories, right? This is the sink. It's a really nice, I love it. We have the garbage disposal here with the switch on the side. And then the regular side here. But these are nice and big. It switches, of course, from spray and stuff. Yeah, it's just a lot of space. Oh, remember me. It's my mirror. But yeah, this is what's supposed to be like a little dining area, dining nook. But this is what I use for like my office. And then over here is the living room. Ooh, I definitely forgot about this. I gotta bring these back to Xfinity. What else? Here's the view of outside. So if you know, you know, but I lived in a shopping center with Home Depot, Target, Best Buy. Across the street, we had Marshalls, Ross, food places, Michael's, beauty supply stores, Sally's. And then down the block the other way, we have Kroger, gas stations. You could even do emissions testing over here. So very, very convenient location. I lucked out when I moved in. I got in on a COVID deal, so it was $12.89 a month, and it was less than my apartment out in Chamblee. So I was like, yeah, this is a good deal. Under $1,300, and I'm living in the middle of the city in Buckhead. Fire. But the dangers, though, it got dangerous. Oh, and also out here, like literally right outside my window is Waffle House as well. So even though I'm facing a parking lot, there actually wasn't much noise on this side of the buildings. Only when people would get crazy at Waffle House. And also one time when this guy was getting arrested. That was it. But let me show you the rest of my apartment. And as you can see, it's really big. Like, this is not a small apartment. This is actually, I think, the 4th largest floor plan of this building. Okay, so yes, my living room. Oh yeah, before I go to the bedroom. Here we have the laundry closet. More stuff to remember. But yeah, you have a nice full-size washer, full-size dryer, comes with the shelving. So yeah, it's a nice spot, honestly. Really nice. I really lucked out with this one. And then here is the coat closet. Can't forget my jackets and my vacuum and steamer and stuff. Oh, let me go around. So here's the master bedroom. It's literally huge. My bed was in that corner and I still had all of this space. So yeah, it's a really beautiful apartment. And then the bedroom leads into the bathroom, which leads into the closet. But you do, of course, have your door separating it. I can't forget that. Look at these floors. Like, is it not fire? Well, the only thing was the lights were on this side. So when people came in from over there, they were confused. They have plugs, nice little towel rack. What else? Oh, I can't forget those. I have a Jack and Jill kind of sink. Just because I guess since this was such a large floor plan, they counted that couples might pick this one. So yeah, it was great having both sinks. At one point, my bro stayed with me here, and so he had his own space. And then when my boyfriend would come over, he also would use his own space. So yeah, got lots of space. Got 4 drawers. It's really nice. And this is the switch for the shower, which is also really nice. The shower is the tub. Unfortunately, hair dye. I'm gonna get charged for sure in this place, unfortunately. But here's free promotion for them. But yeah, I love this bathtub. Like, I tell you, I love this. I love this. This was great. Like, best showers. This is the biggest bathtub I ever had in an apartment. So it was good. And then here is my closet. Again, lots of stuff for me to remember, but yes. Nice closet. Nice size. So you have this whole wall of racks to hang stuff up on. This wall, that wall, wiggy on up there. So yeah. You see, it's a beautiful place. I love it. Like, it was amazing. And it's just crazy because every time I'll be in here and, you know, I might get sad or I might be like, oh, I'm not where I want to be yet. I think about it and I'm like, this apartment that I had to myself in the middle of Atlanta in Buckhead, it's bigger than the apartment that I grew up in. And so that's always humbling for me because it's like, you know, whenever you feel like you could be doing more, you could be doing better, it's important to just look at what you have now and be more than grateful for where you are. And just remembering the fact that there's so many people out here who don't have homes, you know, who don't have any type of security, anywhere to live, let alone even a nice size home. So I'm so grateful for this. But yeah, for all my friends out in New York, y'all, when you see this apartment, you understand why I wasn't rushing back to the city. All right, you cannot get an apartment like this in Brooklyn, not for the price I was paying. You be paying like probably $3,000-4,000. So yeah, especially not by yourself. You would have roommates. So I'm so grateful. I'm so happy the Lord had given me this space. I was able to get it and have it and live in it for 2 years. Well, it's like 2.5 years. And yeah, I'm so happy about it. It's sad that this is really the last day. Like, it's official. I'm really gonna be in my house and settled. Like, I mean, I've been in it for 2 weeks, but like, I'm really gonna be settled. So it's exciting. but it's still a little sad. It's bittersweet. I'm happy to get out the Bugetto, okay? Because that was the thing. Is what I will say is a negative. All the shootings, like I always tell people, I survived this apartment. There were so many shootings. My apartment building was on ATL Scoop more than enough times. And there were just so many like people at night that were randoms that, you know, mental health is real, but also it was a danger to me when I would walk my dog. So yeah, those are just things to think about. So yeah, it's a beautiful apartment. The building is nice. I'm going to take you guys upstairs to the roof next, but first I'm just going to pack all my stuff in the Target cart, make sure everything is gone. Okay, this is my first trip, trying to get all the big stuff. Still got all the little stuff, but tried to get everything that was in the closet in the bathroom. So let me take this. Honestly, I would throw this away. And toilet paper I am taking. Y'all remember when there was a shortage on toilet paper? We ain't playing those games this time. So that's it from in here and there and in here. Perfect. So gonna roll it on out to the car and come back. Okay, y'all, this is ridiculous, but this is my second trip. Listen, I'm not trying to make too many of these. So this is my second trip. I'm gonna try to hold everything down with my coats, and then I'm gonna come back, take out the trash, leave some stuff if people want to have them, and I'll get my purse and stuff. So let's get out of here because it's getting real close to rush hour. I'm back from taking my last load, and as you can tell, I worked up a sweat with that one. That was a huge load, so whew, yeah. So now I'm about to just take this final stuff and take the trash out, and then I'm gonna show you all the rooftop. While I'd love to avoid any awkwardness in the elevator, well, because I'd love to avoid any awkwardness, I'm going to go ahead and take y'all upstairs to the rooftop in my car, because you can drive up there as well, obviously. The building has both buildings have 5 floors, so you can either drive I got interrupted when my car turned on, but yeah, you can either drive all the way up to the roof, to the 5th floor and go up to the roof, or you can hop in only one of the 2 elevators in the building and take that up to the roof as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, drive up there, walk up through the gate, show you guys the roof, the pool, the gym. There is a little community center, so if someone's in it, then I can't go in there. But if no one's in it, then I can also show that to you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive upstairs. By the way, I am really sweating. Like, it's crazy. I showered just to get sweaty, but it's fine because we're trying to drop weight anyway. So it works out for me. I just should have worn something darker than this. Not a good idea. I'm probably got back sweat. Bro, I'm tired. And I thought I was gonna grocery shop, but you see how full my car is? There's no room for groceries. So it looks like I'm gonna just go back home and unload all of this. That's the only thing. I don't have that Target cart when I get back home. So I literally gotta unload all this by hand. Ooh, and before I can even do that, I gotta stop and drop off the stuff to Xfinity from my Wi-Fi. There's so much to do, and it's already about to be 5 p.m. So I'm gonna hurry up and get to the roof and show that to y'all. So this is what the parking garage looks like. I'm kind of driving in the spots, but as you get higher, it gets emptier, which is probably nice for the people that lives up here. And then they actually have guest parking on the 5th floor. When I first moved in, it used to be on the 1st floor, but they sold all of our spots to the restaurants and stuff that are downstairs. So yep, driving on up. So I'll see you up there. It's 4:44 p.m. But yes, I made it to the 5th level, and I'm going to go up this gate. It's already open. Someone put a Target cart there and it blocked it. So I'm gonna just go up this gate. There are 2 gates up here. One side leads to where the dog park is, and then the other side leads to the side of the pool where there's like extra grills, and it's a part of the like community area that you rent. So yeah, I'm just gonna go up there. beautiful view. That's crazy. Last time seeing this view. So you see the rust from the chairs, but this is the other view off the other side of the roof. There's just so much to see out here. Oh, not that. Little hammock. I mean, really doesn't like this. I'm moving out. I can't care because I'm going out this boot. It's so nice though. This is really the whole selling point. And there's the dog park. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, and the pool is over there. Enter from the pool, the vending machine. Okay, I didn't really show y'all the pool because I'm a punk and I'm still not used to this vlogging thing. But I'll just insert clips from what I've taken before from like my Snapchat or Instagram. So I'll put those in. All right, so I made it down to the lowest level and I'm going to go check the mailbox and then turn in my key. It's official. Okay, y'all, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. So I left the apartment, ran to Home Depot to get some stuff to finish off my mailbox. That video will be posted before this one. So if you're interested in seeing me change my mailbox with the help of my boyfriend, then make sure you go ahead and click that video. But yes, now I made it to the Xfinity store. The beauty of living in Buckhead, the views, I love the views of the buildings. I'm such a city girl, so I loved being able to see all these buildings, all these businesses, really glowing, but aka oily. But also everything is close by. Like it literally takes 2 to 3 minutes to get somewhere, unless there's excessive city traffic. Then it could take 20 to travel less than a mile. But yeah, I found the Xfinity store, so I'm going to go ahead and return these items. Hopefully it goes smoothly and I can make it back to my house.